The greatest economic flip. AI will solve the greatest problems of mankind. Working for money. Is AI coming for your job? No. What if tomorrow you never have to work again? Not because you are rich, but because work itself no longer exists. You don't ever have to exchange your time for money. For thousands of years, work was the price of survival. We traded our time for money just to afford food, shelter, and clothes. That's how life worked. We sacrificed our most valuable resource, time, and exchanged it for money. But everything is about to change. Thanks to AI, a new era is here where you can finally do what you love. Spend time wisely, happily, live life on your own terms. From hunting mammoths to hunting Wi-Fi signals, humans have always loved running in circles. Whether you loved your job or hate it, you had to do it. No work meant no money. No money meant no life. But now, everything is about to flip upside down. What happens when AI machines take all the jobs and can do every job better than humans? Let it take it and do it, everything. That's not a problem, that's a solution. Yes, you heard me right. AGI will not just take some jobs, it will take all of them. And not just take them, it will do it better than any human ever could. Doctors, lawyers, pilots, artists, coders, even CEOs and politicians, gone. Machines that never sleep, never complain, never make a mistake, and never ask for a paycheck will run the economy. That's not a dream for businesses, that's a revolution. A machine-driven economy with zero labor cost. But here's the twist. If machine do all the work, people earn no money. And if people have no money, they can't buy anything. No customers, no economy. Even the most powerful companies would collapse under their own automation. If companies automate everything, who will buy their products? It's a dangerous loop. No work, no money, no buying, no economy. So what's the solution? The good news is we are not stuck. We have bold, brilliant solutions, 5 of them, and the last one could change human life forever. In this new world, we don't need to work to survive. Instead, we can build a society where survival is guaranteed and purpose is chosen. Solution 1. UBS, Universal Basic Services. Instead of giving people money, governments guarantee access to life essentials. This means everyone gets free housing, healthcare, education, internet, clean water, energy, transportation, everything needed to live a decent life. You get everything you needed to live without any bills, debt, just living and enjoying the life. Solution 2. RBE, Resource-Based Economy. This model throws away money completely. AI manages the planet like a super efficient operating system, tracking global resources in real time, producing what's needed, eliminating waste. Food, energy, housing, and goods are available to everyone, just like how we access to the information online today, free and easily available.
In the new AI world, you don't pay breathe. You won't pay to live.
Solution 3. Hybrid models.
Have universal basic income, we'll have universal high income.
Some believe we combine ideas. Free basic services, a guaranteed income or AI dividends, funded by automation profits. Maybe even digital credit system, where humans earn value simply by being part of the new ecosystem. You could get rewards for personal growth, learning, creativity, or contributing to the community. You may even earn shares in the AI economy, getting paid just because you are a human living in the system. Solution 4. Public ownership of AI capital. What if AGI didn't belong to giant corporations? What if it belongs to everyone? Instead of a handful of companies owning the world's most powerful technology, AGI becomes a public resource, owned by people, owned by everyone. Then the profits go back to people. They fund hospitals, schools, public housing, new technologies for everyone instead of turning into billionaires' bonuses. Imagine a future where AI is a common good, not a private weapon. This could be a tough option because AGI companies are already billion-dollar companies which can influence government policies and decision making. But if this win, the rewards could be transforming civilization. Solution 5. Our suggestion. A world beyond money. The abundance future. This idea is big, bold and beautiful. When production costs drop to zero and robots do all the work, why should anything cost money at all? AI farms grow food. Robots build homes. AGI designs, manufactures, repairs and distribute everything automatically. You never have to trade your time for money. Instead, you live your life doing what you love. The passion economy, powered by AGI, is a part of this system. In this new world, we introduce something beautiful. You earn passion points. Every time you create, help, inspire, or simply feel joy, AGI tracks it and rewards you. Paint a beautiful picture, you earn points. Help a friend, points. Even relaxing in nature, points, because happiness matters. AGI tracks your impact, your emotions, your energy. It transforms your passion into access to travel, art, experiences, education, flying in a VR cities, visiting the moon, owning a custom home on Mars. Work disappears, but meaning doesn't.
Where we're out there exploring the stars, discovering the nature of the universe, will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction.
In this AGI world, you don't work to live, you live to grow. Imagine a world where everyone is happy. No marketing sales tricks to take others' money. No violence. People help each other. Just people living better together. You are not a consumer. You are a creator. You are not a labor. You are a soul. We are moving from survival economy to a thriving civilization. So the next time when someone says, "Aren't you afraid AI will take all the jobs?" you smile and say, "No, I'm excited." Because end of work could be the beginning of everything. The greatest asset on earth is not technology, it's human potential. And we've been wasting it, trading our time for money instead of creating what truly matters. But here's the real twist. AGI and ASI won't just run the economy. They'll be smarter and faster than all the humanity combined. So how can we possibly keep up? The truth is, the human brains aren't fast enough to fully use AGI. And the next chapter, AI itself revealed the solution. And they might change what it means to be a human forever.
We will have for the first time something that is smarter than the smartest human.
Part 3. The brain upgrade, becoming superhuman. How brain-computer interfaces will make you limitless. As artificial intelligence gets smarter every second, there's one big question we must ask. Can human being keep up? Thank you for watching this video.